Hey guys, welcome back. So now here in this session, I'll cover a topic called LSMW. So now here, what is this LSMW? What is your answer, guys? Anyone just let me know what is your understanding about this LSMW? Any definitions or anything?
It's
Okay.
legacy system management workbench. We transfer earlier you are told, right? Like in LSMW, we transfer do the migration from the legacy system to the SAP system, transferring all the data from the legacy system to the SAP system. Yeah.
Yes, that's correct. So now here, but the full form you said is incorrect actually. So anyway, I'll let you know in details, guys, and theoretical, practical, everything is going to be explained. So look at here, guys. If you talk about LSMW, LSMW stands for Legacy Systems Migration Workbench. Okay. Now, so what is this LSMW, guys? It's a tool which is used for data migration. If you are able to remember ASAP methodology, there I have already explained, guys. Data migration is going to cut our activities, right? So cut our activity, what is happening over there, guys? Data migration is happening, right? Data is going to be migrated from legacy system to SAP system. What is your legacy system? Legacy system is the ERP which is being used by organization, and SAP system is post implementations. It is SAP system is going to be used, right? Now, so LSMW is a tool which is going to use for data migration from legacy system to SAP system. Okay. Now here, or even it is used for mass data upload as well. I'll tell you guys LSMW because during interview the people will ask any sort of question, and that too in a different way. Okay, certain unique things I have recorded. Don't worry. Uh, certain what to say, issues and errors related to this LSMW, in the sense while uploading the data and all, what kind of challenges you guys are going to get. That's pretty unique that you'll never find anywhere. Okay, those things you guys will never find anywhere. So that will be like explained by the people, consultant, whoever has worked in real time and all. So whatever my what to say challenges are there, whichever I face, those things I have recorded uniquely for you guys, and that you guys will be getting in the form of interview question and answers videos and all. In that segment you'll be having, right? This is how you guys are going to be exclusive compared to whoever other people are there in the market during interview. Anyway, so first of all, we'll what to say, let me explain this LSMW here. We'll come back on our topic. So now, even it is used for mass data upload as well. I'll tell you guys, during implementations, of course, data migration is going to happen. During rollout also data migration is going to happen. But what about the use of LSMW? Is it going to be used during implementation or rollout itself? No, even like later on also, later on in the sense once the implementation is done. After that also there will be use of LSMW. Okay, for mass data upload, let's suppose your client is saying that we have to set up like 100 customer master, a 200 customer master we have to set up. So what will happen if if like let's suppose user is going to set up those customer master or those master data one by one, it will take time, right? So they will use LSMW and they are going to upload all this customer master into SAP. So that is why, and even like it is used for mass data upload means what, guys? Data migration is what? It's a kind of mass data itself which is going to be uploaded into SAP, right? Now, so and what is the advantage of this LSMW, guys? Now, so look at here. I have specified there is no dependencies on technical consultant. So the question is, do we have any kind of dependencies on technical consultant in data migrations? So yes, we have dependencies. It depends like which method you guys are going to use, in the sense which tool we are going to use. We have like LSMW is there and BDC is there. So in BDC, what is happening, guys? In BDC, we are having dependencies on technical consultant. Okay, almost you can say like half of the activity will be done by us, and remaining half will be done by those people, right? So here in LSMW now we don't have any dependencies on technical consultant, and functional consultant itself will do entire activity independently. Now, LSMW is basically standard SAP application, guys. It is delivered along with the SAP. Like once the SAP is going to be, let's suppose once the server is set up by the basis team and all, then LSMW will be like along with the server itself. It is going to be delivered by SAP, so it will be there inside of SAP itself, guys. Right now, it consists of 14 steps. Start from maintenance of object attribute, right, and end by running batch input session, that I'll show you practically, guys. That I'll show you practically once we configure this LSMW. Okay, I'll just do one thing, guys. I'll show a drawing here also, like I'll give some more what is the explanations here. So now look at here, data migration in 3 steps. This yellow color is your legacy system, and here this blue color is like SAP. So I think you guys might be getting some noise also because power is gone, and the inverter is having, I think, some noise here. Even in that also, it's gone. So anyway, now here we are talking about data migration in 3 steps. Look at here, it is like preparatory steps. Then we are having field mapping and rules, and then we are having data import, right? First step, second step, and third step. Now I'll tell you guys, if we talk about preparatory steps, so here what is happening in preparatory steps, data extraction and validation is going to happen. Now, data extraction. What do you mean by data extraction? So of course, data is supposed to be extracted from where? It's supposed to be extracted from legacy system. But the question is, who is going to extract this data? Like, are we going to extract the data or somebody else? So I'll tell you guys, no, we are not at all going to extract the data from legacy system, right? You guys are expert of SAP. You are not expert of legacy system, and which is being used by client. Okay, so data extraction is not our work, our part or our work. So who is going to extract this data? Of course, your counterpart from client side. And who is your counterpart from client side? So it is CTM, core team member, right? In the very beginning itself, I have explained these things, right? In the theoretical session. Okay, so core team member is going to extract this data from legacy system, whether it will be done by him or it is going to be done by somebody from the team and all, but we are going to demand the data from core team member itself, and that too what to say in a particular format. Okay, so how to prepare the format also, that also I'll let you know here in the session itself. Now, so data extraction, first of all, preparatory step means data must be ready, right? So data must be ready. How it is going to be? First of all, data is supposed to be extracted from legacy system, and then validation, data validation. This validation is called, guys, it's like pre-upload data validation, we can say. Validation is required twice. Pre-upload data validations, and even post-upload also we can go for data validations and all, right? After uploading the data on random basis, we are going to go for certain checks and all, right? So that is called post upload data validation. Now here preparatory steps means pre-upload data validations. What is happening in pre-upload data validations? Let's suppose some silly mistakes will be there, guys. Sometime, like let's suppose if we'll check like, okay, whatever the data are given. Okay, here also like random basis itself we can check it, like, or else like whatever data is given by client and all, we'll check the formats and everything, right? So that is called pre-upload data validations. If you talk about data migrations, now here let's suppose we are having two kind of data will be migrated, guys. One is called transaction data, right, where opening balances are going to be loaded here into SAP. Apart from this, like master data is there. So before uploading the transaction data, guys, right, master data must be there into SAP. This is what the question which can be asked by people. Multiple questions can be asked, but of course this is also a question will be there, right? That which data can be uploaded first, master data or transaction data. So of course we have to upload master data first, isn't it? Then only transaction data is going to be uploaded, right? Now, so now here, or during transaction data, let's suppose if transaction data is going to be uploaded, right, or is line items are going to be uploaded, multiple line items are there, isn't it? So I said like data validation. What kind of validations are going to be? So say for example, like somebody has, they have specified the amounts and all. Amount means there will be certain line item where the amount itself is missing. Amount itself is not there. It got deleted or only 00 is there. So during upload, issue will be there, right? Format in the sense like let's suppose amount in what do you say, they are going to specify like, let's suppose this is what the format, right? But sometime in certain amounts, like what is happening, they have given like this, right? This will not be accepted then, isn't it? So these things are going to be validated. This is called pre-upload data validation, right? This is called pre-upload data validations. Now, so preparatory steps, once it is done, then next one is field mapping. What is this field mapping, guys? Field mapping is nothing but the configuration of LSMW. Okay, once we configure, in that itself we have to map this source field and all. That is called field mapping. Okay, so whatever fields are going to be updated, like let's suppose if we have to set up, like first of all, the first thing we are going to do is we have to upload like a GL master. Okay, so GL master means multiple fields are there in GL master, and also these fields are supposed to be mapped here. How the fields are going to be mapped into SAP, guys, during for the uploads? So of course we have to do the configuration of this LSMW, and during configuration itself, these entire field mappings are going to be done. Okay, now the third step is data import. So once the field mapping is done, in the sense once the configuration part is done, then what next, guys? The next one is data import. Means look at here, data upload. Okay, data upload. And which data is going to be uploaded, guys? So of course during preparatory steps, whatever file we have prepared for upload, that file is going to be uploaded here. Okay, so in third steps directly we are going to go for data upload, and then after once it is uploaded, then we can go for post upload what is say data validation. Okay, earlier we have, in first step we have gone for pre-upload data validations, and in last step, in the sense third steps, we have to go for post upload data validation. So these are the things which is happening, right? Now if you talk about the configuration part, how to configure LSMW, so it's quite simple, guys. Of course, like it looks like bit technical, isn't it? But still, I'll just let you know. So here, let me log in first, guys. Now, so what is the transaction code? The transaction code is LSMW. Okay, press enter here, and here you have to give project, sub-project, and object. What is this project, sub-project, and object? Okay, that I'll let you know. Here, like when you guys are going to use, It will be this one also blank, this one also blank, and this one also blank will be there. So what is this project, sub-project, and object? It's a kind of hierarchy, we can say. Hierarchy in the sense like, say for example, okay, let's suppose this time implementation is going to happen for Tata Motor, right? Under Tata Motor, what kind of data are going to be migrated, guys? So like master data, and then we are having transaction data, right? Transaction data. So look at here, it's a kind of master data and then transaction data, right? Now, so I'll tell you. So look at here, guys. Okay. So Tata Motor, under that we are having like master data and transaction data, right? Again, for master data, like multiple master data will be there, right? Multiple master data will be there. It will be like, it will be ZL, customer, vendor, asset, etc. Right? Now, transaction data also will be like customer open item will be there, vendor open item will be there, right? And certain what to say, opening balances are going to be like okay. So now here, so what will happen, guys? Now GL master, how this GL data are going to be updated? The GL master is going to be uploaded. So of course, for that, different what to say, recording process will be there. Okay, what is this recording? I'll let you know. Okay, it means for GL, if we are going to upload this GL related data and all, then a different LSMW is going to be set up. For customers, separate LSMW. For vendors, separate LSMW. Likewise, in transaction data also, you have to set up separate LSMW. Right? For customer open item, separate LSMW. For vendor open item, separate LSMW need to be set up. Right? So, what we are going to do, so look at here, we have categorized. We have categorized like, first of all, Tata Motor. It's a separate project, right? Again, the same thing will happen for Tata Steel also. For Tata Steel, like that is a different project, right? In that also we have to upload master data and transaction data, isn't it? So now what is happening here? Project. Just keep here Tata Motor. Okay. Tata Motor, click on create, and here descriptions, press enter. Okay. Then first of all, project we have given Tata Motor. Under that, we are having sub project. Inside of Tata Motor, again, the next hierarchy is like under Tata Motor, what is happening, whether it is master data or transaction data. So I'm going to give master data, and description also I'm going to give the same, right? And then you press enter. Once you press enter, then system is saying that now inside of that you let me know the object. Okay. So look at here, hierarchy wise, we are getting, it's getting created, guys. Project, sub project here, lots of people are not having the logic behind this one itself, right? What can be given in project, what we are going to give in sub project, and then what is going to be given in object, right? So look at here, Tata Motor I have given in project, master data, sub project, and then object means GL master, GL master, and press enter. So this is what I am given in object, right? Again, next time if customer related upload is there, then what you have to do, guys? So project and sub project will be same. Simply instead of GL master, we are going to create the next object, that is customer master. Again, during vendor master, what is happening? Project and sub project will be same. We are going to create what is a vendor master, right? For Tata Steel, what will happen? For Tata Steel, once again, a different project is going to be created. In that, we will be having some project like, let's suppose, master data for Tata Steel also, and there also GL master, customer master, right? Vendor master, like that it will be there. So based on this, we can define the project, sub project, and object. Now, what next? So the next one is we have to go for, now let's suppose if I'm going to upload GL master. If I upload this GL master and all, so how, like, so now here simply we are going to will upload certain file into SAP, and based on that SAP is going to create this GL master automatically, right? But how GL master is getting created, guys? First of all, we have to record this GL creation. Okay, we'll have to go for recording. In recording, what will happen, guys? What exactly we do in recording? In the recording, we are going to select all the fields, whichever fields are like required during creation of GL master and all. Those fields are going to be touched here in recording, or else indirectly we can say that it's a kind of reference GL which is going to be created. We are showing system. Look at here. This is how the GL is going to be created, right? So you need to click on here. Yeah, click on go to and then click on recordings and then create recording. Okay, so recording name will be like, okay, okay, recording means we'll do one thing, keep it like whatever level 0. GL master. So no need to give a space, guys. Without space, we have to give. Okay, what transaction code? FS00. I'll tell you guys, before giving FS00, what we have to do, we have to do one more thing. Okay, or else you guys will not be able to understand what is the issues. Okay, that I have faced already. I have faced this challenge earlier during my implementations. So you just do one thing, go to FS00, and whatever this hierarchy display is there, you deactivate. Now look at here, it's gone. Okay, now come back on the first screen, and here give the transaction code FS00 and press enter. So here we'll set up a GL account. Okay, we'll set up a GL account. So if you are going to set up the GL account, the way we have to, like the way we have set up the GL account, in the same way here also we are going to set up the GL account, guys. I'll just do one thing before setting up. Okay, I'll just do one thing, guys. Give GL number 4030. Okay, for series I don't know how many GL I have created, so I have given like 4030. Okay, and the company code TM20. Then click on create button. Select your expense and then profit and loss and then balance it. Again you can click on P&L itself, and then here, since we are touching all the fields, then here let's suppose test GL. Here also test GL. Okay, so this currency field only balance in local currency. Apart from this, these fields also can be touched, guys. Directly I'm going to open item management, just select line item display will be there, sort key. Okay, and field status group. If you want to select this post automatically, you can select it. If you want to deselect, you can deselect, and then save it, Control S. So now look at here, guys. So now you look at, click on default all. So these all fields, whatever fields were selected here, right? Whatever fields we have touched, these all fields are appearing here. Okay. So now what we have done, with the recording. Recording part is done. What next? Click on yes. Do you want to save? Yes, I want to save. Okay, so the recording is done. And what is the name of this recording, guys? ZL Master we have already given here. Now click on back button. So what we have done, guys, we have done with the recording part. Okay, now we'll start LSMW. 14 steps will be there. So first of all, you need to click on execute. Now look at here, guys, multiple steps are there that we'll see one by one. First of all, maintain object attribute. So here what is happening, guys, maintain object attribute. So first of all, data are going to be imported to SAP, right? So for importing of data, we have certain methods. Batch input will be there, direct input method will be there, right? BAPI is there. We are having like IDOCS is there. So that import methods are going to be selected here, right? The most famous method in LSMW is going to be used, that is batch input recording, guys. Even I also use the same method. Here I'll cover this method itself. So first of all, look at here, it's not highlighted at all, right? Fields are not highlighted, so you click on change button here and then batch input record. Okay, and then after what, guys, look at here, recording. So what recording, guys, we have done? Recording is already done, right? What is the code of that recording, guys? Once again, I think you'll be having noise. So now what is the code? So that code, let's suppose GL master, I think we have given. If you're not able to remember, then you can click on drop down. And one more thing, guys, if you click here, recording overview. So this is our recording, guys. If the recording is not done, then you can click on here, and from here also we can do the recording. So you just double click on this one, back button. You just do one thing, guys, not from there. You can click on here and just click on drop down. So look at here, now GL master is coming, right? Since we have only one recording, that is why directly system has selected this one, right? If we have more recording, then multiple recording will appear. In that, whatever recording is there, your recording is there, that you can select it. Just save it. Now you come back. Once you come back, then what is happening, guys? Look at here, automatically we have came on the second option, right? Maintain source structure. Okay, maintain source structure. So guys, now against this source structure, what we have to do? Okay, we'll do one thing. Okay, so now generally against this source structure itself, what exactly we are going to do? We are going to map all the fields against source structure. We are going to map all the fields which we have recorded. Okay, how the mapping will done, that I'm going to explain, guys. Okay, so you just do one thing. Again, click on edit button, right? Nothing much need to be done here, and save it once. Okay, no, click on edit. We have to create, guys, right? Source structure. I'll just do one thing. So I'll just give GL, and here GL master 4 character. And I'll give like FS00, let's suppose. Okay, so now here we have created source structure. Okay, now just do one thing. Just save it and click on back button. We came on the third step, automatically maintain source field. So guys, maintaining source field. How to maintain the source field and all, I'll let you know. But before that, what we have to do, we have to do one more thing. Okay, and you need to click on object overview. Right, click on list. Okay, so now in object overview, come down. Look at here, guys. Here is the field. Okay, these all fields are, we have already touched these all field during creation of GL account, right? Now you can click here even overview in table format, then it will be, look at here, now it is appearing in a better way, right? Now what next? So you just do one thing. Okay, now we open the Excel sheet here, or different sheet here, here, and then we'll do one thing, guys. Then you just copy from here. Okay, now what next? Nothing, just keep it as it is. Okay, and then come back on SAP. Okay, now double click on maintain source field. Okay, you have to double click on maintain source field. So here, generally, what happens? In maintaining source field, see whatever fields I have copied and pasted in this Excel sheet, guys, those fields are going to be maintained here. Let me double click, and then first of all edit, and after that where to click, guys, where to click, I'm forgetting a little bit because long back I have done this. Yeah, I think here click on table maintenance. Yes, here we are going to do. Okay, so field name, type, and this is length. Just delete this one. Okay, guys, in between, like today also I slept at around 3 o'clock and again woke up at 6 o'clock, right? So sometime now. So anyway, I will just do one thing. Sorry, you just do one thing, guys. These fields keep here. Field type character, better to keep only C. And the length. Okay, description is going to appear automatically. Press enter here. Right, look at here. And this is what, guys, this is your short text. You can keep here. And here we can give long text. Okay, currency, and this one is, I think, sort key. Sort key. Okay. Now, what is this here? Make it okay. Okay. Press enter. Now, now just save it. And click on back button. So now look at here, guys. What we have done? We have done with the field mapping. Okay, this is called source field. We have mapped here, right? Now, and where is the target? Okay. Now, so this is called source field. Just do one thing. Click on back button. Data save, yes, make it yes. Now, maintenance structure relations. Okay, so here maintenance structure relations. Here we are not going to do much thing, guys. Okay, in this step, generally what we are going to do. So we maintain the relationship between the source and target structure, right? But nothing need to be done here. Simply you need to click here and click on edit button. Just save it and come back. Okay, look at here. What we have done, simply you need to click here, edit button, and then once you click on edit button, then save button is highlighted. You need to click on that. Okay. Now, okay. Now here, okay, maintain field mapping and conversion rule. Yes. Here we have to do certain thing, guys. Double click on this one. I think this one is open. Just wait for a second, guys. Let me close the WhatsApp here. Okay. So now what we have to do, guys, here in field mapping, you have to do one thing. In somewhere we are having, I think, go to not edit here. So that we have done, right? Okay. Maintain field mapping and conversion rules. So what we have to do, guys, go to it first of all, and then extras. Yes. Here we have to go, guys. I forgotten actually. So you click on extras and then okay. You need to click on auto field mapping and then no need to do anything, guys. Press enter. Okay. Now, so now here, okay, this is the target and this is the source. Okay. Now, so here GL account number. You just do one thing. Nothing need to be done, guys. Don't look at. Don't. You need not to do any kind of what to say matching here. Automatically, system is going to do these things and all. You simply either you need to click on accept proposal or else you just press enter. Okay. You need to press enter. In target field here company code, here source field also company code, you press enter. So it's going to it's being matched by system. You just do you keep on pressing enter. You keep on pressing enter, and once you keep on pressing enter, then entire fields matching will be done. Okay. So look at here, the field mapping is done. Simply save it. This is quite technical, guys. So some of the steps like users are a bit confused. Why? Because here, of course, like we need not, in order to understand the complete understanding for LSMW, someone should have a good understanding of ABAP also. But anyway, guys, the steps are quite easy, right? That is why independently we can do it. Now, maintain fixed value. So, guys, this in real time, what happens? I generally are always almost like everyone is going to escape this one, because if you have to specify any fixed value means like let's suppose in entire transactions and all, what is the fixed value, guys? Company code. If you want to specify, you can specify here the fixed value, or is translation ratios and all, right? So you just skip and click on specify file. So now what we have done, guys, till now we have done with the configuration part. Okay, we have done with the configuration part. Now what next? The next one is file supposed to be ready and file is going to be uploaded. So our file is not ready yet. Okay, what we have to do, guys, you have to do one thing. Okay, you just do one thing. This is GL account number, right? So, okay, just copy and come here and paste spatial, and then we are having somewhere option will be there transpose. Where it is, guys? Yeah, it's here. So now what is happening? Whatever the things were there like vertical, now it is going to be updated in pasted in horizontal. Look at here. Okay. So now here what is happening, guys? If you want to specify the smaller this one, then also it is possible. Okay. Or else it's like this. Okay. You can remove this. Yeah, you can make it bold if you want to click, and then okay. So now here what happens, guys? GL account number. I'm going to give like 4031, 4032, 4034. Okay, like that. Even other GLs also can be created. Assets, liability, whatever GL accounts are there, guys, can be created. Okay. Now, company code. Company code is TM20. Okay. Now here account group. So guys, account group. What account group are we going to give here? Right. So account group will be expense, right? EXPN, I think, is the code, or else you can check here. Go to OB. What is your account group, guys? EXPN itself is there, so I have given EXPN and PNL statement. So if it is PNL statement or balance sheet, right? So look at here, we have selected balance sheet also earlier. So if PNL, then we have to give XXX here. Okay, balance sheet, then it is going to be selected here. X means that is for check boxes, right? GL short text, I'll just give here HGL1, make 2 and 3. Okay, now So this is short text. Long text also I'll upload the same thing. Okay. Account currency, of course, INR is there. Okay. Now, only balance in local currency. If it is X, in the sense if yes, then give X here. Now, can line item display, right? Open item or line item, right? So that is there. Line item display, we can say. So of course, it will be there. Now, key for sorting according to the assignment numbers, right? So this is for what, guys? This is for sort key. Yes, this is for sort key. And somewhere, have I given sort key somewhere? I think I have already given, right? Sort key. Yes, this one. With such a big name, people will be confused, right? So make it sort key like G001. Sorry, not G001. It's like 001. Field status group. Okay, so what we have done, guys. So now generally, this is what the file I have prepared. Okay, and which file we have to send to the client. So with these kind of headings, the file is Excel sheet is going to be sent to the client that please find the attached, what to say, formats, and I need the data in this format itself. So client, whether they are going to fetch the data with the help of their consultant or else whatever it is, that is totally their headache. They are going to fetch the data, they will arrange the data in our specified templates and all, and then what will happen, guys? Then they are going to send it to us. Once we receive the data, then what will happen? Again, you can go for you can go for validations, and after that, simply we'll do one thing here on the home page on your desktop. You can just copy and paste the data. Okay, so now just copy and paste it. Look at here. In this format it got pasted. You save it. First of all, save it and close it. Now we'll be back on SAP screen. Now we will be back on SAP screen. So once again I'll have to log in. Okay, now just come on LSMW once again. So you can click on execute here. Okay, now so we are on which one? I said like this one. You can skip and we will come back. We'll start from specify file. Okay, specify file means what is happening, guys. Now from here onwards, end user activities are going to be going to be started. Okay, end user activities means file upload. Okay, configuration is one time guys activity. Once we have configured this LSMW for GL master upload and all, let's suppose client is saying that now we have to create like additional 40 GL accounts. In that case, what is happening guys? Do we need to set up LSMW once again? No, it is already set up. So what will happen guys? Next time, if the any further GL upload is required, master data creation is required, and that too in a bulk like 40, 50, 20, in that case, simply we are going to use this LSMW itself. And from where onwards it is going to be started guys. So no need to follow the first 7 steps guys, 6 steps. It is going to be started from the 7th step, and that is specify file. You double click on here, specify file, and then you select this one, front end, PC front end, always, and then click on edit and double click on PC front end. Then here we are going to select the file first. Where is the file? Go to desktop. LSMW selected. You can give any name guys. And then here, what next? Okay. Then here, select this tabular. Okay. Select this tabular and then nothing else. Press enter, nothing else is required. Okay, this is what is our file is. You just save it, Control S. So what we have done guys, we have specified the file here, file path. Now assign file. You double click here, assignment, nothing need to be done. Simply you just select and edit and save it. Okay. What next? Read data. Whatever data are there in the file, that is going to be read out by system. So you double click here, execute. Read data. Why it is not being read by system guys? Is there any problem? Yes. Now click on allow. So look at here how many data, of course 3 only, right? And that is, it's going to be read by system. You just click on back button and back button. Now what will happen guys? It can be display also. You click on display read data, then system is going to display you. These are the data are there guys, right? These are 3 GLs are there. That is going to be, you can click here and you can check also whether this is the GL account number or not, this is company code or not, right? This is account group or not. At last we can see here field status. So random basis for certain GL we can check it. If we have to create 1000 GL, it doesn't mean that one by one we are going to create 1000. We are going to check for all 1000. It will take lots of time. We'll check for 10 or 20 GL randomly that all the fields are updated correctly or not. Now, so what we have done guys, first of all, system has read out the data. Now it is going to convert. The data is going to be, right, whatever the file which we have uploaded, right? So still the data is there in the file itself. So file data is going to be converted into SAP data, right? So click on convert data and here double. No need to click guys. It is automatically, it is going to be selected by system. You just execute. Look at here how many data got converted? 3. So of course this much data itself is there. Now again we can display the converted data also. Here also you can check while conversion of data, all the fields are there on the place or not, right? So check anyone. So look at here. Here we have to check, right? Field name is like table name and all. Now here from here onwards, GL account number is correct, company code is correct, GL account group is correct, PNL statement it's okay. Now balance sheet is not there, so we have not selected. Now text, short text, currency, right? Balancing local currency, line item display, and sort key, and everything is correct. Okay, back button, back button. Then what next? Create a batch input session. Okay, batch input session is going to be created. Double click here, and if you want to keep a particular name, you can keep a particular name, or else you can click on just executive. Execute. One batch input folder with 3 transactions got created. Okay, now run this batch input. Look at here, you execute. So look at here guys, real master is appearing. You select it, click on process, and always we are going to set up the master data in foreground itself guys, right? Because if anywhere any error is taking place, then what will happen, the screen is going to be stuck there itself. Okay, so generally let's suppose if entire upload is going to take 1 hour. So what will happen, consultant will put this entire file on upload and they'll go outside for tea or coffee or whatever it is. In between, like after half an hour, they'll come back and they'll check whether upload is running or still having some issues. Okay, if any issues are there, then system will be stopped at that screen itself. Okay, so in that case, simply we are going to place /n. We are going to use /n shortcut key, and then we are going to proceed further. What is the logic behind that? That I'll explain you guys. Now here, process in foreground itself. Foreground means if the errors are appearing, then it will appear on the screen itself, and you guys will be able to see. And foreground means all the GL whichever is getting created, it will be visible on the screen. Press enter here. Now look at here guys, foreground, right? Here it is visible. Look at here, this GL is getting created. Press enter. Press enter, keep on pressing enter. So now here guys, how many times we have to keep on pressing enter? So simply what we do, we are going to use stapler or duster or any like small object, and we are going to keep on enter button, so that what will happen, enter button will be pressed only. Here no need to press manually like every time. You need to put certain object here. Generally in real time, this is what we are going to do. Okay, so field status, look at here guys, what we have done. Field status entered is wrong, right? Where it is wrong? So here, okay, G001 guys, G001, but we have given a wrong value. So look at here. Now in data validations, we have not seen this, and that is why there is an error. So system has taken, out of this system has taken only, because there is a length of this field guys, 4 digit only, right? So first 4 digit has been taken by system, and system found that there is no any field status for G00. So we know very well that it could be 001. Make it 1 and press enter, right? Press enter. So if you press enter, nothing is going to happen. System is saying that no, it is not possible. So you just /n and press enter. /n means we are going to skip this, right? And again we'll be having error for this one also. So all files are going to be in error only. Why? Because we have made a mistake, right? Again look at here /n to skip this one. And again, so now here, if we find like entire file itself is having certain issues, then we are going to cancel, right? Or else in 2-3 data we are having this what is a problem, then what is happening, we are going to note down. We are going to note down like this. Look at here, for 3GL we are having issues. Remaining GLs are not having issues. We will note down this GL number, and then here we are going to press /n, okay, twice and thrice, and all remaining GL will be created, and 3 GLs are not going to be created, so those GLs are going to be created manually. Okay, now here what is happening, guys? /n once again. So all three, the file itself is having problem. So look at here. If you see the overview, it's showing in error, right? Error is there for all three GL, right? We know very well. So now what we have to do, you just do one thing, Z001. So this time I will not make a mistake. Okay, so you just copy and save it. Once again, what we have to do, guys, once again we are going to follow the steps LSMW. I'll do it quickly. Press enter, enter, and enter. Now this time if I have to upload this GL, so once again I'm going to start from specify file onwards. Click on specify file, PC frontend, double click here. Sorry, you just need to do one thing, guys. Click on here, double click on, wait, I think here, yeah. And again the file is same, so no need to select, it's okay, just save it. Same file is there, and then assign. So again 3 datas are going to be assigned, guys, right? You click on here and then save it, and then read data. So again system is going to read out 3 datas. Click on allow. System is going to read out or not? Let me come down. Yes, system is going to read out, guys. Double. Okay. Click on back button. Now what next, guys? Now display. Press enter here. So again, once again, we can check here. Everything is fine. Now everything is fine. So nothing to be worried about. You click on back button, and again convert data. So data is going to be converted now, and then click on back button. Display converted data. If you want to check further, you can check it, but I'll not go for check. Click on create batch input session, and here again another batch input session is going to be created, and run batch input session. Just execute here. So look at here, second time we came. Click on process, and again in foreground itself. And now look at here, guys. Press enter, enter. So now let's see what is happening. Now GL accounts are getting created. So I'll just keep on pressing enter button. Look at here, I keep on pressing enter button. So now, okay. So now successfully we have created. GL account got created. Okay. Here, if you use FS00/n, okay. And apart from this, if you want to make this hierarchy display, press enter. Now look at here guys, it is appearing, right? And whatever GL accounts we have created, that is here. Okay, so now what will happen guys, this GL account, this is how it is going to be used. We are going to use the LSMW here, right? Later on we can delete also, okay? So this is all about LSMW, okay? This is how the files data are going to be migrated from legacy system to SAP system. It means whatever data are there in legacy system, first of all it must be extracted, and then only it is going to be uploaded to SAP. So that's all in this session guys, that's all for today.